So now we begin with the question 1. Explain structure and main component of zipline. Firstly, the component zipline cable. The length of the zipline cable must accurate and made by the galvanizer aircraft that have the specific size because it depends on the weight force that occur on the cable. The next component is zipline platform. Initial platform here must higher than final platform here because this can create the potential energy here to accelerate the rider along the zipline. Next component is zipline trolley. It used as vehicle going down the zipline. It also more suitable about speed and brake system of zipline. Last component is zipline brake. It will automatically slow it down the rider when reached here and bring to the stop.
So now I will tell you about the working system of zipline relating to the physics concept. So first, at the basic and most, the cable of zipline will begin with the higher point to the lower end. So we know now the higher to lower have the rights to slide down, and this will involve the energy, the changes of energy from potential energy to the kinetic energy. So the next working system of zipline is the pulley. The pulley will help the riders to reduce the friction from the line, so they will get the riders appropriate speed to get best experience of zipline. Okay, that's from me. Thank you.
Now I will tell you how to stop the zipline in terms of physics concept. The way to stop the zipline is by using a zipline brakes. For example, this type of zipline braking cloth, or even and this type of zipline brake. The physics concept applied here is frictional force.
Have you ever wondered why a heavier person reached the final platform of the zipline earlier than a lighter person? Let's take a look at it. According to Newton's second law, it states that the mass of the body does not affect its acceleration during free fall. However, a heavier person accelerates faster compared to a lighter person when moving down the zipline. Why is it like that? This is all because of gravity. What is the force of gravity on the body? Based on the equation of weight force, which is W is equal to mg, force due to gravity increases when the body gets heavier. This means that the body is able to move faster before reaching the maximum speed. When the body starts to move through the zipline, they lose more gravitational energy, which is converted into kinetic energy. Hence, the velocity of a heavier person going down the zipline is higher compared to a lighter person. So get out there and feel the force for yourself.
Deformation occurs at the cable wire of the zipline when external force, which is wedge force, exerted on it. The cable wire will extend non-stop and then break if it goes beyond its deformation limit. At this stage, the cable wire will never regain its original shape and length. This occurs because of plastic deformation, which includes the change in entire structure of the cable wire. Based on the graph of force versus extension, the structure of the cable wire, which are atoms, will change by moving further from each other due to the wedge force at point C. This will resulting in sudden increase in extension. Then the cable wire will deform and finally break at point E.
So this is the last question for the trigger 5. So question 5.2, the cable wire of zipline need to have a high elasticity. Why? This is because to enable the cable wire to regain its fully original shape after going through deformation. Furthermore, the cable wire need to have a high strength in its material. This to make sure the material can withstand a force without breaking. When the cable wire is strong enough, the people who ride the zipline will reach safely at the final form without worrying if the cable wire is sagging or stretched. So you can enjoy your zipline ride. So thank you, that is from us.